Have you seen from the Pathfinder or any other book? Any
Yes, sir.
UPSC
Yes, sir.
questions? Eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. And verified the verification of the differential equation. You got it? Verification of the differential equation. Verified whether it is a differential equation or not. Yesterday I completed. That's not very important. Okay. The third title. What is the third title? Ah. What is the third one?
Forming.
Form of differential equation.
Formation.
Yes.
Forming differential equation.
Formation. Yes. Forming the or formation. Formation of the differential equation. Yes. That is the problem. Find the differential equation of the family of the curve x square plus y square equal to 2ax, comma a is a constant. Listen here. I'm not going to give much importance for this chapter because it is not your UPSC syllabus. Then also you should know what is this. So here what happened, x square plus y square equal to 2ax is the equation. From there, here x and y are the variables and a is called a constant. A constant we have to remove from the equation. Then you have to form a differential equation. Because in any differential equation, constant number will be there. Here 2 also a constant. But here the a is called a constant, means unknown constant, arbitrary constant. Okay, so what we have to do? First you do the differentiation of this problem. What is this answer? Tell me.
2x
2x plus
plus 2y equals to a.
equal to 2a. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So now you take the 2 is common and cancel this one.
x plus y dot y
dy by dx equal to a.
Equal to A.
And this is the constant we have to remove from the equation. Now I will substitute in the equation x square plus y square equal to 2ax. X square plus y square equal to 2x into a. What is a?
X plus
X
Y
plus
into dy plus
y
y.
Yes, that's all. Now this one you form the differential equation. Already you know how to form the differential equation. X square plus y square equal to 2x square plus 2xy into
dy by
dy by
dx.
So now you make it like that. 2x square plus why 2x square, it will come this side, what will happen?
minus 2x square.
minus x.
So first I will write 2xy into dy by dx. Okay, everything I will bring it this side, right hand side, plus x square minus y square equal to 0 is called the differential equation. Here there is no constant, there is no value of a. So your constant is not here. So this is the differential equation, which one I formed the differential equation. Like that, two unknown quantities are there. How to remove that one? We'll see that one. Now everybody try to do the problem and give you 5 minutes. Y is equal to e power 2x a plus bx. Y is equal to e power 2x into a plus bx. Solve. Everybody? Anyone? Now listen here. dy by dx is equal to e power 2x as it is, you keep it, and differentiation of a plus bx is b. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, a plus bx is as it is only. What is the differentiation of b power 2x?
E power 2x into 2.
2 into e power 2.
2 into e power 2.
What is a plus b x into e power 2x?
Y.
So now which constant is automatically removed?
A.
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 A. A.
Here, how many constants are there?
2.
2.
2. So that means 2 times you have to differentiate. One constant is there one time, 2 constant is there 2 times. So now once again you have to differentiate. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this equation is having 2 constant. That's why I have to do 2 times differentiation. Twice I done the differentiation, still which is not removed, tell me.
B.
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 B. B.
How to remove this one?
Subtract 2 on 1.
Yes.
2.
What I will do, from equation number 1, I substitute the value of b into e power 2x. In this place. Tell me how to write.
Yes, sir. dy
How
by
to write?
dx minus 2. dy by dx
Ah,
minus
dy
2.
by dx minus 2y.
Minus 2y.
ah.
Plus
Plus
2
2
dy
dy
by
by
dx.
dx.
Plus 2 into dy by dx.
Yes. Now what is the equation? Tell me.
D square.
D square by dx.
d square y by
4
dx square
Ah.
equal to
4 dy by dx minus 4.
plus 4y.
So here
Equal
there
to
is
0.
no equal to 0. Here there is no constant. Here there is no constant. So one concept is very clear. I told you. So if you have two constant, then we have to do the differentiation of 2 times. Our aim is to remove the constant. That's all. This is the forming the differential equation. I don't want to waste much time in this one because this is not your PPSC syllabus. Next, I am going for next topic. What is the next topic? You tell me.
Solving.
Solving the differential equation. Solving the differential equation. What is the first one?
Variable separable.
Variable separable method.
Variable separable method. Variable separable method. Okay. Variable separable method. What is variable separable method? Take the problem. dy by dx is equal to so like that here totally this many students are there. Tell me what are the students? Three Cholan,
5 chera.
5 Chera,
2 chola.
2 Chola,
2 chera.
2 Chera,
2 chera.
3 Pandya, 4 Pallava, 4 Chera,
4 chera.
5 Pallava,
5
2 Pandya. How to collect all these boys? You tell me.
Separate.
Add
Chera.
Pallava to the
Add all.
So collect all the Chola in one side, Chera in another side, Pandya in one side, Pallava in one side. Like your roll call. Roll call ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
போற போக்க பார்த்தா
Yes, sir.
போற போக்க பார்த்தா ரோல் காலே இல்லாம ஸ்கூல் முடிஞ்சிரும் போல தெரியுது இந்த வருஷம். ஸ்கூலுக்கே நீங்க வராம முடிஞ்சாலும் முடிஞ்சிரும் போல இருக்கு. இபிஎஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஹால் டிக்கெட் உங்களுக்கு வந்துடும் சீக்கிரத்துல. ஓகே, நான் இப்போ எப்படி எழுதுறது? கம்பெனி சோலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
3.
3 சோலா, 5 சேரா, 2 சோலா, 2 சேரா, 3 பாண்டியா, 4 பல்லவா, 4 சேரா, 5 பல்லவா, 2 பாண்டியா. தனித்தனியா எழுதுறோம்ல. அப்ப இங்க எத்தனை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? 5, இங்க 11,
11
இங்க 5,
5
இங்க 9.
9
இப்படி தனித்தனியா எழுதுறோம். அதே மாதிரி this is called separated. Chola was separated, Chera was separated, Pandya was separated, Pallava was separated. Like that here in mathematics, this is called variable separable method. That means the variables are separated. What are the variables are there? You tell me.
X and Y.
X and Y. What are the variables are there? X.
X
So
and Y.
all the X you take it one side and all the Y you take it another side. So your dx by dy is there. Nothing should come in the denominator. Either dx or dy. எந்த காரணத்துக்கு கொண்டு டினாமினேட்டர்ல வரக்கூடாது. அப்ப எப்படி எழுதுறது? dy is
dy
equal
equal to
to
I square x into dx.
tan square. இப்போ நீ பாரு இது dy தனியா இது மட்டும் இருக்கு. tan square x into dx. Here also x, here also dx. Both are same or not? Same team or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find
Yes,
the
sir.
value of y and x. I'm doing the integration. For solving the differential equation, we have to use the integration. What is integral of dy?
Y.
Y.
What is a different integral of secant square x, tan square x?
Tan x plus x. Tan x minus x.
Tan x. Tan x only, no? Yes or no?
No.
Secant square x minus 1 will come.
Secant square x minus 1.
Secant square x minus 1.
இந்த வேலை இதை மறக்காம இருக்கீங்களே. Secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1 into dx. This one you have to write it. Y is equal to
Integral of
Tan x
minus
integral of tan x
minus integral of dx.
what is integral of secant square x?
Tan x.
tan x
Minus integral of dx
x
X.
plus c is the answer. This is the solution of the integral dy by dx equal to tan square x. So this is the method number 1 to solve the differential equation. That is called the variable separable method. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we come to the second problem. The second problem is like that. Dy by dx என்ன பண்ணணும், y எல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம் x எல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம், y எல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம் x எல்லாம் ஒரு பக்கம். So what is there in left hand side? Dy by dx plus 2x. First what we have to do?
Take
Take 2x. That's it.
Plus 2x to right hand side.
Matter over?
Yes, sir.
What shall we do next one?
into
dy
dx
To the
dx
e power 3x minus 2x into dx.
Okay, now we have to find the value of y and dx. Make the integral here. Make another integral here. What is integral of dy?
Y
What is integral of e power 3x?
e power 3x
e power dx by 3.
That is minus 2. What is integral of 2x?
X square by 2.
2 square x square
2
by 2. 2 to cancel.
3 you can multiply this side or you can leave like this also. Answer y is equal to
E power 3x by 3 minus x square plus 3.
yes. Understood?
yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How to do the problem?
Take x dy,
Dy
that's
outside.
right hand
So
side.
you do one thing, you take dx one side, dy in another side. Do like this. Tell me what are the unwanted things are there. This side dx, chair house one side, dy, chola house another side. So here dx is there, along with this x is there, no problem. Which is unwanted here?
Log y.
Log y.
Log y.
Y. Log y.
This is unwanted item here. Okay, here dy is there. Any y is nearby?
No, sir.
No. So what shall I
No,
do?
sir.
X
Remove that.
dx is equal to, this side you make it dy. Near the dy, write this side dx. This side log y is there.
1 by
dy
log.
by log y.
1 by log y into dy.
Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what
Yes,
happened in this
sir.
problem? Left hand side everything is x. Right hand side everything is in y. One side chara house, another side chala house. Now we can do the problem. X we can cancel it. So integral of dx is equal
dx.
to
Dy by log y.
huh? Problem is wrong. Just change the problem. Only one wrong idea here. This is y. Y into log y minus x dy equal to 0. Change the problem. Y log y into dx equal to x dy. Y log y is there, take it another side. Dx by x equal to dy by. Tell me, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take integral. What is this answer?
Log x.
Log
Log x. But this side we have to do the problem separately here. Outside. Integral dy by y log y. Go for the substitution method. Log y is
Log
equal
y
to
equal
t.
to t.
Ah,
dy by y equal to
dt. Which is equal to integral dy by y வந்து dt ஆ மாறிடும்.
T square
இது t ஆ மாறிடும்.
by t
Yes or no?
log t
Yes, sir.
Equal to
log T.
log t.
equal to
Log t.
log of t எவ்வளவு?
log y
Log
Log
y.
of log y.
Log y.
Log y.
That's all. Right, next problem. X power 5 What shall I do? First of all, you kick that dy that side. Dy is here, then you bring it this one this side.
X power 5 by dx equal to minus 5 power 5 by dy.
So this is y power
X for minus.
so you can simplify now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can simplify. Simple problem only. Next big problem I am going to do now. Secant square x tan y. Secant square x tan y dx. Secant square y tan x dy. Finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what happened? You take the problem, here dx is one side, dy is another side. Make it like this. So secant square x yes, what shall I do now? Dx இருக்கு, secant square x இருக்கு.
Take
No
the
problem.
tan x, that's it.
Yes, take the tan x this side. What happened here? Secant square y dy இருக்கு.
Yes, sir.
The tan y to right hand side.
Tan y to right hand side and tan x to left hand side.
So now what shall I do? Secant square x dx
Into dx by tan x equal to
by tan x.
By tan x equal to Secant
minus secant square y into dy by tan y.
What is the answer?
Log
Log
tan.
of cosecant.
Log of tan x is equal to
Log
Log
tan
of tan x is equal to
Log
minus
tan
log
x.
of tan y.
minus log of
Log
tan
tan x equal to
minus log tan.
Minus
minus
log
log
tan
of
y.
tan y.
Minus log tan y.
minus of tan y.
Log
Log of
tan
tan x
x
into tan y.
Log tan x into tan y is equal to 0.
Tan
Equal
x
to
into
C.
tan y equal to C.
equal to C.
Log C.
What you have to write here?
Plus C, sir.
Plus.
Let's see.
So now what I want to tell in differential equation chapter, here also log is coming, here also log is coming, then the constant also you write as logs. The constant also you write there. What? Log?
C.
Log C.
C.
Log of tan x
Plus log tan y
Plus
Log
log
of tan x
Into
into tan
tan
y.
y.
equal to log c.
Equal
equal to
to
log
log.
Log C.
Equal to
log
log
c.
c.
இது எப்படி எழுதுறது?
log
Log tan x
Log
into
tan x
Log tan x into tan y.
equal to log
Equal to C.
equal to log
Equal
c.
to log C.
log கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாமா?
Yes, sir. And the
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இதுதான் answer.
C.
Tan x into tan y equal to C is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Last problem already. Last problem. E power x tan y into dx. E power x tan y into dx. Plus 1 minus e power x into secant square y. Equal to 0. To the bottom. Last one. Anybody?
E power x.
Okay, what shall I do
Y
first?
E power x minus 1.
What shall I do first? You want to answer?
1 minus e power x. 1 minus e power x into 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 1
This is answer. Okay, what shall I do now?
Take the tool diagram.
Okay,
Take
this
1
one
minus e power x
this
secant square
one,
y
this
dy
one,
on
this
other
one,
side.
this one I'll keep it this side because dx is a single term. That's why I'll take it that one in another side. One minus e power x into secant square y into dy. ஆனா 1 minus e power x ங்கிற ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இருக்கறனால ஒண்ணா மாத்திடுறேன். இங்க e power x tan y dxங்கிறது சிங்கிள் டேர்மா இருக்கறனால கொண்டு போறேன். இங்க 1 minus e power x இருக்கு. மைனஸ் கொண்டு போனா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். That's why I'm doing like this. Okay. So here dy unwanted item here. dx unwanted item here. So secant square y dy, okay,
Divided by
Tan
tan y.
divided by
Tan y
Tan y.
Tan y
Tan
Tan
y
y.
tan y
equal to
minus
e power x
E power x.
dx
into dx
1 minus e power x
minus e
e
power
power
x
x.
Into dx.
dx.
now what happened? Left hand side everything is in y, right hand side everything is in y, so the problem is not there. So this side I write it, which is equal to what?
Log and
Log tan
Log
y.
tan
Tan
y
y.
Equal to what is this one?
log
Minus log.
Log 1
Log
minus e power
1
x.
minus e
e
power x.
power x minus t.
Because 1 minus e power x equal to t அப்படின்னு போட்டனா இத டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா என்ன வந்துரும் சொல்லுங்க நீங்க? minus
Minus e
power
power
x into dx equal to dt ன்னு வரும். அதுதான் இருக்குது. minus e power x dx தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப இதோட சேர்ந்து நீங்க என்ன போட்டுக்கிறீங்க?
Plus
log
log
c.
Log.
plus log of
log c.
இப்போ log 1 minus e power x plus log c எப்படி போட்டுக்கலாம்?
Log of
1 minus equal to
1 minus e
minus e
power
power
x
x.
into c.
எழுதலாமா?
into c.
போன சொல்ல என்ன செஞ்சேன்? அந்த log அங்க கொண்டு போனேன். இப்போ log அங்க கொண்டு போறேன். இப்போ அந்த log-ஐயும் கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டேன். So
tan y is equal to 1
minus e power x.
1 minus e power x.
that's all. So here some particular function problem is there. This one I am not teaching here, but next one, homogeneous differential equation, is very very important. That one I will teach. That time I will tell you the particular function. Particular function is nothing to find the value of c. அப்ப அதுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருவாங்கன்னா they will give the value of x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க இந்த மாதிரி. அது என்ன செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். x க்கு y க்கு மேல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ரிமூவ் பண்றதுதான். I'll teach you in the second one. So here you do the exercise, next exercise. That is purely variable separable method. You do it. If you have any doubt, you ask me tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I'll teach you homogeneous differential equation. Already I gave the instruction. It may be useful in UPSC examination, but never they will ask the question in CBSE. The reason is when we will solve the homogeneous and integrating factor method, automatically we are going to use this method in those methods. Okay, that's all. See you tomorrow. That I think exercise homework is enough. I don't want to give more homework. You are very serious about your UPSC examination. Study well. See that one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you sir